Hello, welcome back to Spot our channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to enable incognito mode in Chrome on Xiaomi. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the started. First, we go to the Chrome application. And after that, you can click the three dots in the upper of the right corner. And let's go to View Incognito tab. And now you have gone to Incognito mode in Chrome on Xiaomi. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you. This is a tutorial how to enable incognito mode in Chrome on Xiaomi. Enjoy for this video. Have a nice day. Bye.